Hello, I'm Dr. Rohini. I'm working as IVF consultant in Cloud9 Hospitals, Vartur Road, Bangalore. Is the IVF stimulation same for everyone? No, not at all. One shoe doesn't fit all. So like that, same stimulation is not used for everyone. So patient to patient, we optimize the type of protocol that we use for IVF stimulation, the dosage of injection, which can be as less as 150 and can be increased up to 450, and also the type of injections that is used is also tailor-made. There are different type of injections like Recombinant FSH, HMG, Purified LH, and some other adjuvants which can be optimized and used patient to patient. Now, how will your IVF stimulation be tailor-made? So that depends on some criteria like your age and your ovarian reserve and how you have responded in your previous stimulation and your body weight. So these are some of the aspects, and also whether you had already a successful pregnancy previously or not. So these are some of the aspects that we will keep in mind before making a tailor-made stimulation for you.